Hello everyone, so welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today we are going to create the profiles over a FortiGate firewall, like admin profile, administrator profile over a FortiGate firewall. So we can create the multiple profiles over the FortiGate. So first of all, let's start this device. Click on start. So it will boot up in a few seconds. Open the console access, SSH access. Okay, so wait for a while till it will load it up. Okay, dear. So you have to put the password and username admin you can put over here. And here we got an access of the firewall. Now let's check what is the IP address for the GUI access. How we can do that? Put a command diagnose IP address list, IP address list. So here we got an IP address 192.168.92.129. So with the help of this IP address, we can access the GUI of the FortiGate firewall. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me put this IP address and in the browser press enter. So here I got the GUI access of the FortiGate firewall. So let's put admin over here and password over here. So here it is the GUI access available for the FortiGate firewall. So here we can see that the complete status is available for the same. Okay, well, this is not the license firewall, so some limitations may be there. Now what we have to do, we have to click on settings to create the new profiles of administrator. So here we will find the new admin profile, the user profile for the same. Okay, so here we can create the new profile for the users. Okay, and we can allow or deny the permissions also. So these are the administrator profile. Just click over here. We have a super admin profile available over here, having the complete access for the same, and I have disabled the two-factor authentication. Now I just want to create one more user who can log in and only can able to see uh, can able to observe what's going on, but he can't able to configure anything. Okay, so I will create a profile in which the user can only check the status, and he can't able to configure. Okay, can't able to configure anything. Okay, I want to create that kind of profile who doesn't have the full access, only a view access will be available. So for that you have to go to admin profile. Already here we have prof admin and super admin. So super admin is a profile that is having the complete access. Here you can see it is by default having all the access, read write, 100% access is available by default for this profile, that is super admin. Okay, now let's go back for the same, and this is super admin profile having all the access. And we have another one, the prof admin profile. It is only having the view access actually. Let me click over here and let's see what access does this profile have. So click on edit. So here you can see that it is also having the complete access for the same. But what I will do, I will only give the read profile for the same, that he can only able to watch that what's going on. Okay, he can't able to configure for the same, and I will click on OK. So this profile prof admin can only able to observe, can only able to check the status, he can't able to configure. So let's go to administrator, create a new profile, create a new profile, give him a name like view only, view only. So I'm only creating these kind of profile. It is a local user. Okay, and let's provide a password over here, a random password we can provide. So okay, then you have to click on OK for the same. It is the administrative profile, so it is asking that which type of access you want to give this profile. So I will give the prof admin only, the view access only. So he can only check the status. So click over prof admin. So all the profile will be automatically provided on prof admin profile. Okay, from the prof admin profile to the view only administrator. Click on OK. So this profile will be created. View only. Okay. Now let's log out this profile and log in the new profile, the view only. And the password, let's put the password. So here you can see that this profile cannot do any configuration, only status is available over here. We can't able to create the policies over here, nothing is available. No option is available. I can't able to configure anything. I can't able to uh, do the configuration of OSPF, BGP routing policies. I can't able to create any policies. I can't able to apply anything. I can't able to initiate the VPN. Not even any VPN we can initiate actually. So this profile is only able to check the status, only able to watch that what's going on. He can't able to do any configuration. So now let's log out for the same and log in our previous profile, admin and password. Okay, so on this profile we can do anything. This is our super admin profile. So here on this profile we can do the complete configuration, like we can create the profiles over the routing information protocol, OSPF, BGP. So we can do any configuration, but in previous profile we have limited access. So here you can create the multiple profile, like you want to uh, provide some specific access to the user, so that kind of profile you can also create. So you can go to the system again, admin profile. You can create new profile that that the new one that the new user can only able to allow the able to use the security fabric feature. Okay, login report, and he can able to configure the network over here. He can also enable the he can also able to initiate the VPN. So I'm only giving the limited access. Okay, so this username is limit access. Okay, limit access. So I have just created a profile for the limited access, on which I have enabled the security fabric, firewall, logs and report, network, and VPN access. Okay, let's click over here and just go to again administrator, create a new profile with a limit access. Okay, limited limit access. Okay, profile name is limited. Okay, so password will be any password you can choose, and here I will provide the limit access profile over here. The profile we have created in admin profile was limit access, and I'm just going to apply this profile over here, over the administrator profile. Okay, so now just click over the limit access. So this profile will be automatically applied from the admin profiles to the new administrator named limited. Okay, so you can click OK. Okay, so password is wrong actually, so let's change the password. uh, Click over OK. Now let's log out for the same and log in for the limited. Password is admin. So here we have limited access for the same. Here you can see that the uh, menus also become shorter as the previous one, because we have limited option available, like security fabric. We can do the configuration of a network, because I have enabled that. You can uh, do the configuration of any of the protocol. You can enable the multicast, you can enable the OSPF, you can do the SD-WAN options are available. Interface you can also manage for the same. Okay, so this is how you can create the multiple profiles over the FortiGate firewall. Okay, so dear all, if you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comments, and have a nice day. And dear, please subscribe and share. I will upload the new videos soon.